Chapter 10, Lessons, Trading and the Belief in Randomness, by Mark Douglas. 6 lessons that will make you consistent. Lesson 1. The market is random. Short term, you cannot know the outcome of the next trade. Wins and losses are randomly distributed. Stop trying to predict one trade. Lesson 2. You do not need to know what happens next. An edge works over 100 trades, not over a trade. Stop trying to be right every time. Lesson 3. Detach from every single trade. One trade means nothing. Do not get cocky after a win. Do not get scared after a loss. Lesson 4. Stop the gambler's fallacy. 4 losses does not mean a win is due. Each trade is independent. The market has no memory. Lesson 5. Your job is execution, not results. You control entry, stop, and exit. You do not control if it wins. Do your job and let go. Lesson 6. Accept risk to kill fear. When you accept anything can happen, hesitation disappears, anxiety disappears. You trade like a pro. Master these little lessons and you will stop strategy hopping. You will stop fearing trades. You will start executing with confidence. Before we continue, if you are enjoying these lessons, leave a comment on what topics you want us to cover next. Hit the thumbs up button. It helps us continue producing more free content. Join our free Telegram community to stay notified on new projects we have coming soon. The link is in the description or in the pinned comment. Let us get back to it. Chapter 3. Trading and the Belief in Randomness, by Mark Douglas. If you skip this chapter, you will blow accounts forever. The next trade is random. Not random like casino, random like probability. Accept this, and fear disappears. Here is the problem. Your brain hates uncertainty. You want to know what happens next, so you look for patterns that are not there. But the market has no memory. Trade 5 does not care about Trade 4. Example 1. The gambler's fallacy. You lose 4 times in a row. You think, I am due for a win. You risk double. Trade war loses 2. Losses come in clusters. That is normal in probability. Example 3. Trying to predict. News hits, price jumps. You say, I know what happens next. You enter. Price reverses. You get stopped out. No one knows the next tick. Not you, not the banks. Truce Sam is everything. Wins and losses are randomly distributed. You can follow your plan and lose. You can break your rules and win. One trade tells you 0. Only 100 trades tell you something. Example 4. Judging one trade. Your setup was perfect. You lost Archer dollars. You call the strategy trash. You switch systems, but you never let the edge play out. You quit on loss number 3 of 100. The solution is probabilistic thinking. Stop asking, will this trade win? Start asking, is this my setup? Take every valid trade. No fear, no hope, no hesitation. Let the math do the work. Example woo. Think in E by S. Pro traders don't care about trade 27. They care about trades 1 to 100. If their edge is 60%, they expect CISR losses. And they are fine with it, because the 60 wins pay for all. Lesson: detach from results. You control entry. Stop. Exit. You do not control the outcome. Accept that fully. When you do, anxiety dies. You become calm. You become consistent. Stop needing to be right. Start being consistent. That is the belief in randomness. That is how you get in the zone. Next, in Chapter 4, we build the mindset of a winning trader. Save this. See you there. If this helped you, hit the thumbs up button. Leave a comment with your biggest takeaway and subscribe to be notified when new content is released. Join our Telegram community to stay notified on what new projects we have coming soon. The link is below. Discipline first. Better is not good enough. The best is yet to come. Thanks for learning. I will see you in the next chapter.